Welcome to my channel SkillTone. How are you, my dear learners? In this video I'm going to discuss about the 5 key freelancing tips to improve your skills and domain where you can work and earn at the same time. Many of my learners, they often ask me that which skill should I start in 2021, and for them this is the video which I recommend them to start with one of these skills which I am going to share now. And also in this video I am going to share a special book that can help you for your data mining and data cleaning, as well as how to download this book. So stay with me with the whole video. I am not going to disappoint you. Welcome to my channel Dr. Munshi Nasser SkillTone. In my channel, I try to highlight different skills, the skills that matter for your career. These mostly are data science, machine learning with economics and business, life skills, educational how-to, questions and many more. If you like my effort, do subscribe my channel. Now, let's talk about the first freelancing tips that you can start with. The skill that you can start with in 2021. After carefully reviewing whole Upwork, freelancing or Fiverr job analysis, I have found that in 2021 the number one freelancing skills people are looking for is the HTML or web design or web development skill. So if you know how to use HTML, how to design a web page and web page development, you should start with that skill in 2021, because this skill is high demand at this moment. The second skill that I would recommend you to start with, thinking about how to create a dynamic website using WordPress. WordPress is a platform where you can create your dynamic website, and clients might often ask you to create on behalf of them. So if you know WordPress, then it will be easier for you to get a job in the freelancing platform. The number 3, which is very important, as you know that I always discussed about data science and machine learning, but now if you look at very carefully what are the main scope of data science domain at this moment, in my opinion this is data cleaning. You know, in data science 80% of the time we try to clean the dirty data and then make it for machine learning algorithm use and analyze with the model. So data cleaning is immensely important. If you know how to clean the data and how to manage the large number of discarded data and make a modeling usable data, and how you can learn that part using R or Python, this is very important. So you start with R and understand how we can clean the data, and I am recommending you one of the book which I will show you in my computer shortly. You can follow that book, and in my opinion this is one of the best book for data cleaning purpose. Now the other one is the Excel. Excel is still a very important skill to know. I strongly recommend you not just understand how to copy and paste and all that, try to go a little bit intermediate of the Excel use. For example, formulas, data analysis, and then VLOOKUP, and all those advanced level of Excel can help you to get your first job in any freelancing platform. And finally is the content writing. Content writing is nowadays very important. Nowadays people ask you to write their proposal, they ask you to write their website domain information, or even the cricket, the cricket info. They also ask freelancer to write the cricket report every day, which has been done in every now and then. So you should look those opportunities in freelancing platform, but if you have the skill of content writing. So these are the 5 skills. Number 1, HTML, which means web development skill, and then web designing by using WordPress, and then data science, especially focusing on data mining, or you can say data cleaning, and then Excel in an intermediate stage, and finally you should learn how to use the content writing ability. If you have these 5 skills, you can work with any of this skill. Start with building your career on this skill, and in 2021 I can assure you, you will find your dream job very quickly. So now I'm going to share which is the book that I should recommend you for using data mining or data cleaning purpose using our platform. So let's go to the computer and see how we can download that book. Okay, my dear learners, now we can see the book name is Data Wrangling with R. This is the book that I was talking about. This is a very good book which can allow you to understand how you can use this book for data analysis and especially for data mining and data cleaning purposes. So this book you can download. You should go to the Library Genesis. This is one of the platforms you can download for free books, or the books that you cannot find other ways. You can download using this Library Genesis book. So Library Genesis, remember my dear learners, Library Genesis is the platform where you can easily download any book that you want. So all you have to do, go to the Library Genesis, and in the search box just write down what you are looking for. Let's say we are talking about data wrangling with R, and you see this is the book is already available in this library. Just click this one, and then this is the book that I was talking about. Now click the data wrangling with R, and this will allow you to this page, and just press get the book. Okay, so once you get the book, the library will allow you to download this book, and you can have this book for free and use it for your data mining or data cleaning purposes. As you can see here, my download is already started, and it is almost 7 megabytes, so it will take a little bit of time. In the meantime, as I said, that you should go for other books for data wrangling with Python and other, if you're interested to learn about Python. But in this video, I'm going to focus more on data wrangling with R. My book is already downloaded, and the book is like this. This is the PDF version of this book, and you can see here that this book, if you go to the content, this book is very good, and it is a very recent book also. In 2016 this is the first publication, and then it has several other editions, but I would say that this is a relatively recent book because it published in 2016. And if you see, the book will give you a very good platform of the basic of R programming and R Studio, and then you can go working with different types of data in R, dealing with the numbers, dealing with the character strings, dealing with regular expressions, dealing with factors, which is very important in our data science projects when we have factors and numerical and string data to start with, then dealing with the dates, and then managing vectors, which is very important because in R we have most of the cases use vectors, managing list, managing matrices, data frames, missing values. Missing value is one of the most important part which I believe to learn, because most of the cases we have come across the missing values. And then we have importing scraping, which means web scraping, and then we have exporting data, creating efficient and readable code in R, how to use those data for readable code, and then you have reshaping your data with tidyverse and all that, and of course finally transforming your data into using deep layers. So all this information you will get in one single book. So I will recommend you to please have a look this book to learn about your data science related data mining and data cleaning projects. So if you learn this book and start reading this book, I'm pretty sure you will gain the knowledge to start your work in the platform or freelancing platform, or you can start working in your PhD proposal or master's thesis, and this will help you to get a good results in future. And I believe this is a very good skill. So remember, my dear learners, the 5 skills along with this book, and the Library Genesis is your friend, which you can download your any book that you wanted to read. So today in this video, this is what I would like to share with you. In the next video, I'm going to discuss more about freelancing tips, techniques, and skills to learn. And also remember, I was intent to use the R Markdown and LaTeX platform, which I will do it in the next video. So if you like my work and you think that it is giving value to your career, please consider subscribing me. And I wish you a very good health, and I would like you to be safe, because COVID is not over yet. So please take care of yourself, be healthy, and be with me to learn more data science, machine learning techniques and skills for your life saving techniques and skills. Thank you so much and have a good day. Bye bye.